Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Today we are going to discuss a case on insurance matter as well as the consumer court. So this matter was decided by the district forum. Ultimately, the matter went up to the level of Supreme Court, and Supreme Court has given a beautiful judgment regarding the delay in the FIR. Right. So, while disposing the case of Dharmender versus United India Insurance Company Limited in Civil Appeal number 5705 by 2021 on 13 September 2021, two judges bench, Hemant Gupta and Justice V. Ramasubramaniam, they held that the reasons for the delay in registering FIR have also to be taken into account, and simply basing on the delay in the FIR, the insurance claim cannot be denied. So that means delay in intimating the insurance company about the theft, it cannot be a ground for denying the same. Right? So if we go into the details, you will be more clear about the incident. So Mr. Dharmender, he has purchased a Mahindra Thar, Thar Jeep, and it was financed by Mahindra and Mahindra company, and of course it was insured with the United India Insurance Company. So this was the situation. But on 24/3/2000, when he parked it near the bar and restaurant in which he was a partner, it was found missing. Immediately, he informed the same to the police, and of course, police advised him, "Are Baba, where it you look into whether any of your partners or workers might have taken it away, or some drunken fellow might have taken it. You check up." So okay, he has taken his own time. He has taken a 72 hours for searching for the jeep, and of course, in the meantime, he has to got some other work. Ultimately, he reported the matter on the 5th day to the police station. But the police did not raise the case. The police registered the case on 1/5/2000. That is after 72 days. This is the problem. So the case was rejected. But he has informed the insurance company about the theft. It was through his cell phone. He has informed them through cell phone. He has informed the police on the very same day. Of course, according to section 154 of the CRPC, the police need not register the FIRs basing on the telephonic information or cell phonic information. Unless they verify the matter, normally they do not register the case. That's another problem. So cumulative effect all these things is he could not get the insurance immediately because insurance people denied, stating that this theft was not intimated immediately. You have taken your own time. That means you yourself are responsible for the theft like that. Ultimately, he approached the consumer forum stating that there was a deficiency in the service because he has insured the vehicle against, it's a comprehensive insurance against theft also it was covered. Of course, friends, remember, even though it is the third party risk, insurance covers the loss also. But of course, only thing is you have to get a police report. So first you have to get the FIR, then the police have to investigate, and after 90 days only, they will give you the so-called not traced certificate or untraceable memo. Then only you can go for claiming the insurance. Here, there was a delay in the registering the FIRs. Of course, when he filed a case in the district forum, yes, the district forum was satisfied with the submissions of the Dharmender and said, yes, you have to pay 3.4 lakhs. Of course, the value is heavy. Mahindra company, the value is around 10 lakhs. But anyway, since he has insured it for 3.4 lakhs or so, you have to pay the insured amount of 3.4 lakhs together with 12% interest till the date of settlement or till the date of payment. So aggrieved by this, the insurance company filed in the State Commission. State Commission also dismissed. Ultimately, NCDRC, National Commission, the matter came to National Commission. National Commission agreed with the findings of the insurance company, stating that when there is a delay in registering FIR, it gives a doubt. It entertains a doubt in the mind of the people. So therefore, Yes, insurance companies 100% need not pay. Ultimately, Dharmender came to the Supreme Court against the order of the NCDRC. Okay, now the Supreme Court held that no doubt delay in the FIR is an important step in examining the claim. But here you have to take the all matters into consideration. He has telephoned to the police station. He has telephoned the insurance company. Then on the advice of the police only, he has made searches. Of course, he went there on 5th day, but the police did not reach the case. So it is the failure of the police in not reach the case, but not his failure. After all, 5 days delay is not at all a delay. And now the insurance company is admitting that yes, it is a fact that he has lost the vehicle. So here the insurance company did not say that he has manipulated or he himself has committed theft like that. It is the fact that the vehicle was stolen away. In such a case, why don't you pay the claim? You have to pay the claim. So ultimately the Supreme Court with its honorable vision definitely allowed the claim of the petitioner, that is appellant, that is Dharmender, and he will get the 3.4 lakhs. Good judgment. Here the important point is delay in the FIR. Please remember, delay in the FIR is dangerous. But if it is explained properly, definitely a consideration, favorable consideration can be taken by the Supreme Court also. Good judgment. Please read it and enhance your legal knowledge. Thank you very much.